about one of the easiest and most widely used features of this platform, campaigns. Okay, so now we have our webinar. We're ready to start promoting it. We have a generic URL. You can always, in every section, click on the webinar links and you'll see, hey, here's the audience URL. So this is the generic URL that we're promoting. Here's our presenter and then reporting, right? But let's close out of that. Or you can either, you'll see campaign code URLs you can create at there, or as well as under the campaign tab. So now let's say, for example, whether it's just a pure event and you are doing third party like emails like tech target. So you can type tech target as an example and then add, boom. Now we have a customized email for tech target. If we do email blast, email blast 1, boom, email blast 2, email blast 2, you'll see we have specific URL. Now, if we're doing an event where, for example, rethink your refresh, we want to have our customer event, have our partners go invite their customers and prospects, but they want to get the leads back, right? So, hey, how do you want me to go send them to a pure webinar, but I'm not just want to give you my customers and prospects. Okay, great. So for example, I could type CDW ad. I could type WWT ad. I can go in and type, Presidio. I can go in and type Arrow and add. Now you'll see in 2 seconds, we just created a unique URL tracker. So if we go over here and it puts it in alphabetical order, if we go over to the WWT, it's the exact same landing page that we created, but we're able to track and monitor not only registrants and where they came from via the campaign code, and or when they actually attend the event and how long they stayed on or viewed it, where they came from. Great functionality. Always get asked about this question. So again, you can either hit the campaign tab here or always click on the webinar links and you'll see you can even add codes here. Again, we can go put in, for example, tech data and create a brand new ad, and you'll see all of a sudden in real time the tech data campaign code will be able to go up there. Thanks.